Running a successful business means you have to prioritize customer service on every level, even when it comes to parking. A neglected parking lot can cause your customers serious issues. Your employees and customers deserve to be safe every time they drive through your parking lot. Keep watching to learn just how beneficial proper maintenance is. A sophisticated aesthetic. It's no secret that first impressions matter. When you invest in the visual appeal of your parking, it matters. Doing so will present a sophisticated impression and prove that you make the most of your investments. If you want to stand out ahead of your local competitors, take parking lot maintenance seriously. No one likes the idea of driving through a parking lot with a ton of potholes or dips that can damage a vehicle. Improved safety. When a parking lot is neglected over a long period of time, the asphalt deteriorates and creates giant holes and cracks. In addition, potholes can injure pedestrians who fall or slip into them. Likewise, visibility is also a concern in many parking lots throughout the country. If your parking lot is ever used at night, make sure the lighting is updated and effective. Replace any bulbs you need to on a regular basis and invest in LED light bulbs, which produce more visibility. Maintain property values. As a responsible business owner, your top priority is your company's bottom line. This should also apply when it comes to your commercial parking lot. You need to consider it as a significant factor concerning your underlying investment in the property. Keeping the pavement repaired, for example, will help you sell the property if you choose to later on. Optimize the space. As time goes on, the original painted stripes in a parking lot will start to fade. The good news for you, though, is that it provides an opportunity to reorganize your parking lot. When it's time to invest in restriping your parking lot, take the time to think about the arrangement of spaces. Is there a way you could optimize the available space to allow for more spaces? Is it possible to direct traffic entering and leaving the lot in a more efficient way? Preventative measures. It's good practice to keep up with parking lot maintenance every year. Implementing an annual audit of your business's parking lot can prevent more serious headaches in the long run. Plus, doing so will help you maintain that sophisticated curb appeal that's so valuable. That way, the cost of repairs won't add up and cause any headaches in the future. Don't underestimate the value of making the most of your investment in maintenance projects, by the way. That's why you should hire the most qualified professionals to handle your parking lot maintenance on your behalf. Schedule a free quote for expert parking lot services online today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.